everyone, welcome to Cook with Minnie. Today we're going to be making Vietnamese chicken salad. And we have a special guest today, my friend Rebecca.
Hi guys! I'm so excited that Minnie is sharing this recipe with you all because this is one of the first things that I ever learned and it is delicious.
So let's get started. We have some red chilies, red onions, some limes, Vietnamese coriander, and some young lotus rootlets. So for this dish, we're going to need fresh organic chicken. I think it makes a big difference because of the quality of the chicken. Let's kind of clean it up a little bit. Fill the water until the whole chicken is covered. Put your gloves on. The reason why we shred the chicken is because the texture is more natural.
So hand me a leg or something.
Here's a leg.
Not get started.
You can get it at any Asian supermarkets. Make sure it's gari bo.
Di bo.
Ga means chicken. Bi means walking. So I guess it's free range chicken. Every Vietnamese party or get together, you go to this what?
Is served. Yeah. It's a labor of love.
Yes, it is.
My husband's Vietnamese. It's important for me to learn a dish from his country.
And he always look at me and say, "Teach her, please." And then fumble it. Open it, fumble it. And that way you don't need to do it later. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to take the coriander, but just instead of putting it in, we'll rip it in threes. Okay, and then you're going to fold that. Pour it out. And then when I take it out, I need to strain it too. The purpose for this lotus is for the texture.
Wow.
It's
Crunchy. And it's a subtle flavor. Oh my gosh. This is so good.
Yeah. And then we have 1.5 teaspoon of sea salt. Let's do 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Ooh, it's gonna be spicy.
How we like it.
Well, thanks Rebecca for coming over to cook with me.
My pleasure. I'm excited.
Cheers. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy your Vietnamese salad.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Till next time, stay hungry.
Cheers.
Cheers.
The chicken's so fresh too.
If you don't like peppers, you can leave out the red chilies or leave the black pepper out. Remember, it's your dish, so you can make it as spicy or as mild as you like. The most important thing is that you love it.
That's good. All that crunch and the freshness. So good. Yeah.
Girl loves lime. Ties everything together. It's a balance of all these flavors. The only thing we're missing is the sweetness, but that's where we came in.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.